Welcome to my new blog post number 17. And in today's blog post, I'm going to discuss about project management processes. So let's start. So here's a figure through which I'm going to give you basically understanding of the project management processes. So basically, the project life cycle is basically managed by executing a series of project management activities known as project management processes. Every project management process produces one or more outputs from one or more inputs by using appropriate project management tools and techniques. The output can be a deliverable or an outcome. Outcomes are basically end result of a process. So here in this figure, you may see like there could be multiple inputs, and then these inputs are basically processed with respect to tools and techniques. They are right, and after that, certain output or the multiple outputs are provided. So, in essence, you may say project management processes are logically linked by the outputs they produce. The output of one process generally results in uh, either an input to another process or a deliverable of the project or project phase. So basically, project management processes fell into one of three categories. First one is processes that are used once or at predefined points in the project. The processes like develop project charter and close project or phase are basically example of these first kind. Then there is processes that are performed periodically or as needed. For example, acquiring resources is performed when there is a need for resource requirement, or you need to do the buy the you need to buy procurement, so you need to perform conduct procurement process as per your need. And then the third one is processes that are performed continuously and throughout the project. For example, defining the various activities uh, may occur throughout the project lifecycle, especially if the project uses rolling wave planning or an adaptive development approach. And many of the monitoring and control processes are actually ongoing from the start of the project until it is closed out. So project management is accomplished through the appropriate application and integration of the logically grouped project management processes, while there are different ways of grouping processes. So let's come towards our star question, and it is, you have joined a company as a project manager. As soon as you have joined the company, you have found out that there are many irregular steps are taken to develop the process. As a project management, what shall you do? The first one is create list of processes and let team know to follow them. Second one is end the project. Number third one is ask team members to follow your order. Fourth one is do analysis of work performance data to determine the next steps. Or fifth one is tell your boss that you need to restart the project from the scratch. So please do not forget to answer the question in the comment section of this video.